Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the server or region within the Dota 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dota 2 game on your PC, and once it is loaded, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, you can start any arcade match, or you may click on Play Dota at the bottom right corner. Now, before you choose your match and click on the Find Match button, right above this button, you will see the region setting. Go ahead and click on this, and now you are able to choose from various different regions. Make sure to uncheck the automatically pick the best region based on my location option. And now you can choose from various different locations and servers. Choose whichever server you wish to connect to and then click on the OK button. You can also click on refresh pings in order to recalculate the latency within each server in order to choose the best one. After selecting your preferred server or region, click on the OK button, and now your region has been selected, and you can now click on the Find Match button after choosing your match mode in order to start playing the matches with players from this region right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the region or server on the Dota 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.